Treis dubh clé cenis AIB na mún na blianis caite chailúnt bhí ready le chur na cheart ag Baile Mhic Gonair. Agus tá stair ná an dubh dan Éire mar an club máíocht is rathúla i gcuig mún. Tá léirithe ag Éire ó Ennis gúil imróí máíocht de cumasach le cuh, treis dubh luachmá cais an leine go tlí treis an breise, an Éire stair do go héana bhaintach agus créad na mún a bhuachan fan chiad uair. Bhí Brian Tyres ús Donald Grady is dád simple den ceann seo.
Nis Tom Kavanagh a dtír a gun pocamach a léomh. Harry Ruddle cwrdd o feile cael hana ni ach cael Moroni och yr henig yn ŵl. Ystach at o Marco Cleary. Brwn sa'r Aaron O'Neill. Cawrige. Ach ta'n teleport i gael Shane O'Donnell. Ystach o Lorsley yn Shohe Moroni. Cys cael das latif. Caron ta tosio sy'n dwychrate. Mae'r ffeinta again o ganach a todiad yn y horteste. Nis Marsin, Siachwyn Mikey. Oma get her the live edition who said carry a rish fence let the rachta desi fuck a lasting to again. Open the Jonathan Ceannais again Finan Tracy. Open stach samach again Desi Hutchinson agus Neil stop this turn on.
Ifra Hochton son or an Caleg a command Erin Cluiche so shouldn't dacro to Harry Rudlinov.
Aaron Fitzgerald mar chosantor le coisach in the fucal last year though. Hanning McGarrett, Shachwyn Partig and Shin Lig and the Stitter Prabba go hauling, Shin Skill, Trinity in a Houta go hauling.
Yeah, and a skill and son, agus not a Kasha, just a Vulture Bobber and Gus and Torn and son. Just League Sugar of Shakone, Evula, Nada came forward on Cosentori, don't come on.
Shin Roich on latest a Kale in Michigan, agus Ni, Huddish and Stitter and Keen, Nugameshid, Olaf, agus Sauster. Nis tá paiste má talún pointeach again Mikey Mahoney. Fitzgerald bhí fácaistigh de béisiúd an spruc. Cráitige Kieran Russell. Níos sin gafa trast an chuin táisiad sástaistigh ní thárótú é sin mar féinte. Finan Tracy. Amachchan sa a John Cluiche Marco Cleary a Córaach ach tá an fearrma fachtaige Philip Mahoney siúd. Agus few nor the hit and slitter the Omega. Coimer Danias, Ronan Powernish. Isaga going and Cork on attacked. He should have drawn Patrick Fitzgerald. Shin past Doikret to Ella. I'm sure Altiger past the Vion. Tom Paintiga Hutchinson. Coimert Allianta. Cashid really a Chorishel and Clitter. Agus Council Shin Obervanish agus Aaron Fitzgerald Keen, if they have Leshan Roher, Pellegamacher, a fight to Hennig Hogant on past Puntish Tachan Sundro McNamara, Bishop Fachtanish and Saga Marco Cleary Stolum, Fitzgerald Fosaunach on Falla Cossanta, a Machadi Shane O'Donnell, a fight to talk again as I showed. Puckamach Tapik, Son Begani Savarica, or Cahill, a Tachtaga Shul Cartfe. Agus siú tuairt fé féinte agus peinte an a bhrá fad ag an bhear Parker. Agus mar a cínte bhúnta sé fé láin teúil an sá Shane O'Donnell a dolasteach bhfuil College díantar siú táir san réitóir Pocéidecha Carcaleor buine bildíanachas tócha.
Puck Erica, ag an saw roiing ar fad, but like sin an size today, Imani done sco O'Donnell.
This Martian Danny Russell agus another Anias on the free tall again Danny agus Kirowick son and Bohar of Eire.
Yes, the stacks of Cunha Kion Anias of Fathers, the Eire Shanson son Stephen O'Keefe, Marvisha, Fanna Talun and son agus Bootile for Sulucht.
Shagas gone out on Harrig Hudo Horkig and Tender Nelle, and Ten Hominelle of Willen Graves of Butcher Huig Noidaka, Achtan Stein Oshkri of the Goni, again Baile Mhic Gonair, left the hammer at Desi Hutchinson near the van, stop the shoot.
To get back here after the hurt of last year, it was our aim since day one, to get back to a Munster final and to perform like we did today in the conditions that I suppose the second half threw up anyway. It's just so special and we were so hurt after last year. We probably didn't say it enough, but we were, and look, so happy to get another Munster medal.
Look, we're unbelievably together. We live out of each other's pockets, whether that's on the field, off the field. We do everything together, and I think that showed there today.
I can't wait for the next 3 weeks. Isn't it a great honour? It's a privilege to be still there. We're representing the community of Ballygunner, we're representing Waterford City, we're representing our county. It's just fabulous to be still involved at this stage, so we're lucky to be there.
An ordination Gorn on Sheu Craobh again led in the Fort Lord again.